to compare absorber, which one surface is better absorber, shiny surface or dark surface. In order to prove it, we have to take two metal plates of equal sizes. One is having dark surface, another is having shiny surface. Both metal plates have thermometers that is attached at their backs. These plates are fixed at the same distance from the radiator heater. This is radiant heater, and the distance between this radiant heater and dark plate and this radiant heater and shiny plate is same. It is found that the dark surface absorbs heat more quickly than the shiny surface. Again, the graph is plotted between the time along x-axis and temperature along y-axis, and we come to know that dark surface absorb heat quickly as compared to the shiny surface. It means that dark surface is a better absorber of thermal radiation than the shiny surface. Beta, this is shown that some buildings have solar panels on the roof. These solar panels use the thermal radiations from the sun to heat the water that is flowing in this pipe. These blackened layers absorb radiant energy and warm the water in the pipe that is kept in the storage tank, in this storage tank. Now we have to do the test yourself. Explain why in hot countries houses are often painted white. Beta, its answer is on page number 7. Page number 7, from this line, white or silvery surfaces up to this line. B, on a hot summer's day, the inside of a white car is cooler than the inside of a black car. Beta, on a hot summer day, the inside of a white car is cooler than the inside of a black car because dark surface is better emitter of thermal radiation than a shiny surface. C, aluminium foil helps keep food warm. The silvery surface of aluminium foil reflects heat back into the food, so food remains warm. D, central heating radiators work better if they are painted black. Beta, we have known that black or dark surface is better emitter and absorber of thermal radiation than the shiny one. That's why central heating radiators work better if they are painted black. The answer may also include this example.